Hello my friend, welcome to Smart Trader channels. I'm Dreadblitz and I make video about trading strategies. I really want to help you become a profitable trader by show you how to trade with each trading strategy. In this video, I'm going to show you 5-minute trading strategies you can use for Forex, stock, crypto, it doesn't matter. For these strategies, we need the follow line index indicator, angle attack indicator, and Psignal indicator. Okay, or you can check the setting in the description below. This is GBP USD pair and 5-minute time frame. Okay, now I will show you just few examples for buy and sell trades. For the buy trade, you need all three indicators: signal a buy, blue, blue, and blue. Okay, and you need the right context. You see the market in the trading range. I can divide the trading range like this, and the market break out of the trading range and retest. Okay, now we have a buy signal. We buy when the market break out of the trading range and retest. The stop loss will be below the range low. The target at least 1 to 1. Okay, I hope you understand this. Now for the sell trade. For the sell trade, you also need to identify a 3 indicator signal a sell: red, red, and red here. I mean here red, red, and red. Rise below the indicator. You also define a trading range. I hope you can see that. A trading range. Buy breakout of the trading range with the good breakout bar. Okay, this is the trading range I want to mention. Now buy retest the trading range here, sell here, and stop loss above the range high. Risk and reward ratio at least 1 to 1. Okay, very simple and very effective. Okay, very simple and very effective if you follow the rule. Now I hope you know how to buy and sell trade. Another example here. As you can see here, the market's in the trading range. Like this. And we define a range high, define the range low. At this time when you entry, all 3 indicators signal is sell. You can sell anywhere. You can sell anywhere here and here when the price break out of the trading range. This is a breakout bar. I hope you can see that. The stop loss above the range high and the target at least 1 to 1. Okay, very simple if you follow the rule. Now remember, when you see the price make lower low but the indicator fail to make a lower low like this, fail to make lower low, so do not sell when the price break out of the trading range here, because the price will reverse or continue the sideways for a long time, as you can see here, and the sideways. So please don't sell when you see a convergence. Only trade with the trend. Only trade in line with the signal given by the indicator. Buy at support and sell at resistance. Define a trading range and wait for price breakout of the trading range. Only risk 1 or 2% per trade. Study and backtest before using real money. If you have any question with these strategies, comment below. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. Good luck and good trading.